What's up guys, Francis Abogonye here today, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how we can sell gift cards in Nigeria. You know, a lot of people have been having challenges with receiving payments, which I actually made in my previous video. If you haven't watched that, you can check that out, okay, on how to receive payment in Nigeria, which most people used to get payments through gift cards, especially when they're completing some little tax on some survey site, or maybe they are being sent gift card from a friend and family abroad or wherever they are. Now we're going to be looking at how to sell gift cards in Nigeria, and there's this website which is actually new. It's not that new per se, but it's actually very reliable, okay, to buy and sell gift card as well as cryptocurrencies in Nigeria. Okay, so today's video we're going to be looking at the website, and we're going to be reviewing the website and what it's all about. All right, they're today's sponsor of this video, and we're going to be looking at how this website is going to help Nigerians, or how it can help you to buy and sell gift cards as well as cryptocurrencies in Nigeria. So let's look at the website. This is the website. It's called CoinCola. Okay, if you haven't heard of CoinCola before, it's actually a website where you can trade, you can buy Bitcoin, you can exchange your gift cards for Bitcoin and all that. Okay, it's very fast, reliable, and easy. Okay, this I will say a lot of testimonies about this site. Okay, just like you can see right here, they're saying one-stop OTC trading desk. Okay, it's fast, secure, and reliable. Just like I mentioned earlier on. Alright, you can invite a friend. There are so many things right here. Okay, there's so many what's it called? There's so many bonuses you can get. Okay, once you're using this platform. Alright, you don't necessarily have to exchange what's it called? You don't have to necessarily buy or sell gift cards or Bitcoin before you can earn with this platform. All right, so this is CoinCola. This is the website. You can just type www.coincola.com. okay, so we're going to be looking at the website right now and see what it is all about. All right, and also before I forget, now we're going to be looking at why CoinCola first. Let's look at why you have to choose CoinCola for doing transactions, okay, for selling crypto or for exchanging your gift card. Why CoinCola? First, as you can see right here, they have low fees. Okay, you have the option to buy Bitcoin and iTunes gift cards or any other cards. Right, you have the opportunity to do that. They provide security like never before. There's a lot of security on the platform. Okay, support for different pairs, which has to do with you can actually exchange for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other cryptocurrencies, as well as gift cards such as iTunes gift card, Amazon gift cards, I think there's Google card or something like that. Okay, so you can also sell your gift cards in Nigeria with CoinCola. Okay, they are fast and the service is highly reliable. Okay, they deliver very fast, good customer support, and the huge rewards for those affiliates who are going to be referring their friends to CoinCola. These are the reasons why you should choose CoinCola. Okay, now let's go through their official website. This is how the website looks like for CoinCola. Right, you can see you can buy and sell. Okay, you can sell this buy and sell cryptocurrencies such as this one. Okay, and you know that it's very easy to exchange Bitcoin in Nigeria or Ethereum. Okay, it's very easy. There are so many sites out there in Nigeria right now that you can easily sell your cryptocurrency or exchange it for Nigerian currency. Okay, or you can just keep it in your Bitcoin wallet. Right, I think it's somehow better that way. Okay, I don't want to mention names of other trading companies in Nigeria, but there are lots of them out there. You can just look them up on Google and you'll see a lot of them right there. Okay, so this is the site for CoinCola. This is how it looks like. CoinCola Cryptocurrency Exchange. You can see access a growing list of markets and expand your portfolio. Okay, this is a whole list of them. So this is one of the main reasons why I mentioned why CoinCola. Why are you choosing CoinCola? First, you can see buy instantly, safe and secure, customer first, and low fees. They have low fees on this platform, and you can download their app either you're using on the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. Okay, you can actually download the app. I'm going to be going through my phone so I can show you how the app look like. I already have it on my mobile phone. I'm going to be showing you guys how the app look like. Alright, so you can have an idea of what CoinCola is. So let's look about the about of CoinCola. What's this company about? Alright, CoinCola is an OTC cryptocurrency marketplace, okay, an exchange based in Hong Kong. Alright, our integrated platform has been designed from the ground up to offer the best cryptocurrency trading experience for users. We offer fast and secure services, trading services at competitive fees and exchange rates. All right, that's what they put on the official website, and this is what I found on their blog about CoinCola. CoinCola was founded in 2016. CoinCola is a Hong Kong based company offering both you can read all this. Alright, this is what CoinCola is all about. Okay, they serve millions from over 150 countries. Okay, and they support these cryptocurrencies which I mentioned earlier on. Alright, which I'm very familiar with: BTC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dashcoin, SRP. Yeah. Alright, this is what CoinCola is all about. This is what the website CoinCola is all about. Right. So now, to make a transaction with CoinCola, first of all you need to be registered to the platform. Okay, so you have to come somewhere around here and click sign up. This is a sign up. You have to register. Okay, you have to register either by phone or by email. All right, so if you're doing by phone, you just have to switch this to Nigeria. As long as you're in Nigeria, you have to switch this to Nigeria and go through the process. It is very, very simple and very, very fast. Okay, that is the first thing you need to do when you want to make transaction with CoinCola, right? So right now I'm going to be switching to my mobile phone. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how the mobile app looks like, so you can see what CoinCola is all about. Okay, and how you can use it to make transactions. All right, it's very, very simple, nothing difficult. Let me just switch over to my app now, and I'm going to be showing you guys how it looks like. Now, for the video description, I'm going to leave you some cool links in the description. You can check out the link in the description down below. Okay, for some of the cool links for CoinCola, like I listed right here. CoinCola actually they're supported for web. They have a website which I just showed you just now. They have an iOS and Android, and you can join their WhatsApp group. Okay, if you want bonuses, you want to get bonuses, and you want easy access to sell and buy. To sell your gift card, buy Bitcoin, or exchange for any cryptocurrencies, do that very fast. You can actually access that on the WhatsApp group. Okay, so let me switch over to my mobile phone and I'll be showing you guys the app, what the app look like. Okay, guys, this is the CoinCola app. If you're still with me, this is how it looks like. This is for the Android version. If you're on iOS, it might look a little bit different, but on the mobile version, this is how the CoinCola app looks like. Okay, as you can see, some of the cool things that are on the website is also flipping right here. Okay, let me switch this. Free BTC first trade. Get $5. Oh, I didn't get this clear. Get $5 first trade bonus. Okay. Where did I go? What did I do? Okay. Now you can see how the platform looks like. You can get bonuses inviting friends. Okay. Follow another. You can see the exchange market, the cryptocurrency market, and this is the exchange tab right here. Wait, am I done with the homepage? All right, this is how the whole homepage for the app look like on the Android version. Okay, Bitcoin adoption with Nigerian millennials. Okay, this is the exchange platform. Okay, if you want to buy, this is buy and sell. Okay, this is buy and sell. If you're actually confused with all this, you can contact the support team. Okay, they're going to walk you through it, or you can look at the documentations they have for how to use this platform or how to use the app very, very well. To me, it's very, very simple to use. Okay, you just have to put what you want and the amount, and you can log in and start doing your exchange or your trading. Right. This is the OTC section. Okay, this is where a lot of people sell gift card. Okay, this is where you trade your gift cards. Okay, buy. You can see right here, they say buy Bitcoin with many gift cards. Okay, doesn't matter the gift card, it can be Google card, Apple, iTunes card, or Amazon card. Okay, first things first, you have to come right here on the top left corner and change your country to Nigeria. Mine is already on Nigeria. You can buy, you can sell. Okay, you can see other people advertising theirs that they want to sell, right? So you can buy from this platform and you can sell. So you can buy exchanging with Bitcoin, Ethereum. Okay, you can just pick what you want to buy and what you want to sell. So you have a wallet. You have a wallet right here. Okay, I think I have to log in before I can access this wallet. When you click here, you have your wallet. You see my wallet is actually 000. Everything is zero. You can deposit, you can withdraw, you can transfer right here. Okay, this is how the mobile app look like on the Android version. All right, so if you want to do an exchange, you have to click on order. If you want to buy, okay, I think this is processing very slow. I'm not trying to make an exchange right now, but if you want to, this is what you have to do. Click order. If you want to sell, you do the same thing right here. It is very, very simple. All you have to do is to post advertisement of what you want to sell on this section, okay? Because you're in Nigeria, you can see people who are posting theirs. All you have to do is to post yours right here. All you have to do is to post yours right here, then go to that account section. Okay, once you get funded, it will appear on your account section or on your wallet. Sorry, I say account section. So this is pretty much how to get this done, guys. Okay, guys, if you're still confused on how to sell or buy cryptocurrencies or sell gift cards, this is the platform for you. Okay, you can check the description to join the WhatsApp group or to download the app on your mobile phone and see how it works. You can test it out for yourself and see how it works. I think it works very, very well. No, it works very, very well, and a lot of testimonials have been coming up about CoinCola. Okay, it's a platform for Nigerians to use to sell Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, sell gift card, exchanges for cryptocurrencies, or to trade. Okay, to trade cryptocurrencies online. So that's pretty much it for the CoinCola review. If you have any questions, let me know that in the comment section. I'll be here to help you out if you have any questions or any concerns. Until next time, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.